Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the 18V AC/DC power supply adapter, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This versatile 18V1A charger comes with 8 interchangeable jacks, making it an excellent choice for powering a wide range of electronics requiring between 100 mA and 1000 mA. Whether you need a power supply for small gadgets or medium-sized devices, this adapter offers a flexible and reliable solution. Starting with the power specifications, this adapter supports an AC input range of 100-240V at 50 to 60 Hz, delivering a stable DC output of 18V and 1A, 1000 mA, which is ideal for devices requiring up to 18W. The intelligent identification output ensures compatibility with various current demands from 100 mA to 1000 mA, providing a customized power supply for your device. This is particularly useful if you have multiple gadgets with different power requirements, as it eliminates the need to buy separate adapters. One of the standout features is the set of 8 interchangeable DC plugs, including sizes such as 5.5 by 2.1 mm, 5.5 by 2.5 mm, 4.0 by 1.7 mm, and others, all with center-positive polarity. This wide variety of plug sizes enhances compatibility with many electronic devices, from LED terminals to different transformers and small appliances. The build quality is impressive, with high-grade materials used to ensure durability and safety. Safety features are robust, including over-voltage output protection, over-current output protection, short-circuit protection, and over-discharge protection. These safeguards help protect both the adapter and your devices from electrical faults, giving you peace of mind during use. Additionally, the power supply is designed to resist interference from external electromagnetic fields, which helps maintain consistent performance. Pros of this adapter include its versatile compatibility thanks to the interchangeable jacks, strong safety protections, and a broad input voltage range suitable for international use. It's a cost-effective option for anyone needing a reliable 18V power source with adjustable current outputs. On the downside, users must carefully check their device's power specifications before purchase to ensure compatibility, especially with regard to current requirements and plug size. Also, while the adapter supports up to 1A, devices demanding higher current cannot be powered by this unit. In summary, this 18V1A AC/DC power supply adapter is a practical and flexible choice for powering a variety of electronics safely and efficiently. Don't forget, the discounted purchase link is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out to get the best deal. Thanks for reading, and happy powering!